Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step Weird Ball artifact as a notable item in Stalker R2, Heart of Chernobyl, located under the Bulba Anomaly, which can be found east of the Zalce base. Location: the Weird Ball is situated beneath the Bulba Anomaly, which is characterized by its large, pulsating energy field that pulls nearby objects toward it. Players must navigate this dangerous area carefully to retrieve the artifact. Next is the strategy to obtain. Approach the Bulba anomaly cautiously and observe its behavior. The anomaly expands and contracts at intervals, creating a suction effect that can be lethal if players get too close. When the Bulba is not actively pulling objects, players should quickly hide behind immovable objects like rocks or vehicles around the lake. Effects of the Weird Ball artifact. The Weird Ball provides several benefits. Damage reduction. It significantly reduces damage from bullets while standing still, making it an excellent choice for defensive strategies during combat. No radiation. Unlike many other artifacts, the Weird Ball does not emit radiation, allowing players to use it without negative side effects. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.